Hello, my name is Muhammad Adib Daniel bin Muhammad Shukri, S47481. I study in Bachelor of Applied Science Fisheries, Faculty of Fisheries and Food Science. My study is about effectiveness of soft plastic scullers at freshwater habitat and hooking injury in angled fish. Dr. Muhammad Fazrul Hisam bin Abdul Aziz is my supervisor, also act as my corresponding author. There are so many types of colors on artificial bait, but which one did the color attract the most, anglers or the fish? It is necessary to find out the right artificial bait color to get more fish and preventing angler from spend more money on baits. My study also looked up for hooking injuries that always occur to fish that have been angered. Is it okay for the fish or it could lead to fatality? My study also focusing on fish mortality rate that had been caused by catch and release practices. The problem that I faced in completing my study, the first one is lack of research on artificial bait color worldwide. The second one, change in sampling area environment. Third one, finding the same color of soft plastic. The last one, lack of sampling time. Alternative to my problem, the first one is to gain as much data in previous research paper to complete the study. The second one, look for another places that located within the sampling area if my previous sampling area is undergoing any change. The third one, use social media platform to get the same exact color of soft plastic that I use. And the last one, manage my timetable so that I can finish my study according to the timeline. The objective of my study is to study the effectiveness of soft plastic scullers at freshwater habitat and to identify the hooking injuries in fishes. I did my sampling for 30 minutes interval for each color, 9 times of sampling for 3 months. After catching the fish, I record the weight and length, hooking location, and look for presence of breeding. The fish was kept in net during the sampling time and moved to a aerated tank to be kept for 24 hours. I've done the data analysis on length and weight, hooking location, catch per unit effort, and mortality rate. Then I've done the one sample t-test to see the relationship to the colors. This is the video of my sampling method. I cast the soft plastic into the water and steadily retrieve it. After the fish bite, I'll stop for a while and set the hook. I use a net to land the fish. As you can see, I've prepared the measuring tape and weight scale to record the data right way. Data analysis that have been taken was length and weight, hooking depth, mortality rate, and hooking location. Then one sample t-test had been done to test the relationship between hooking depth, length of fish, catch per unit effort with the soft plastic scullers. This is the length and weight result. The longest fish has the heaviest weight, while the shortest fish has the lightest weight. This is the picture of the fish that have been taken measurement and weight. Hooking depth result was then length corrected by dividing the hooking depth measurement and total length of fish. The hooking depth measurement was measured from the front upper lip of fish to the hooking penetration sites. If there was two hook penetration sites, I'll choose the last one to be measured. Pearson's chi-square is used to study the relationship between hooking location and the soft plastic scullers. The chi-square value equal to 26.333 and probability level value equal to 28.869. The chi-square value is lower than probability level value, so null hypothesis accepted. There is no relationship between soft plastic color and hooking location. This is the value of one sample t-test for hooking depth and soft plastic colors. The p-value is equal to 0.005. P-value is lower than alpha 0.05. Null hypotheses are rejected. Thus, working depth are not related to soft plastic scholars. This is the value of one sample t-test for length of fish and soft plastic scholars. The p-value also equal to 0.005. P-value is lower than 0.05. Null hypothesis rejected. Thus, length of fish are not related to soft plastic scholars. This is the value of one sample t-test for catch per unit effort and soft plastic scholars. The p-value is equal to 0.008. P-value is lower than alpha 0.05, so null hypotheses are rejected. Thus, catch per unit effort are not related to soft plastic scholars. This is the mortality rate formula. Out of 18 fish that had been caught, only 2 of them died. The mortality rate percentage is 11.11%. So, fish mortality rate from practicing catch and release are low. These are the references. So that's all from me. Thank you.